this video, we will see the 15 best romantic Turkish series that you won't want to miss. So let's begin this video with the series number 1. Bana Sevmeyi Anlat, Wings of Love. Wings of Love follows Leela, a beautiful single mother, returns to her father's home in Germany with her young son, Ruzgar, after a tumultuous marriage. Desperate for stability, she reluctantly agrees to marry Hasmet, a charming businessman with a dark, criminal side. On her wedding day, Leela discovers Hasmet's true nature and, fearing for her son's safety, flees, only to unknowingly seek refuge in the car of Alper, a talented chef grappling with his own turmoil. Alper's life has been turned upside down, his brother has died in a tragic accident, and his wife, Berna, lies in a coma, leaving him to care for their daughter alone. Struggling financially, he takes a job as a manager at Hasmet's restaurant, unaware of the dangers that lie ahead. As Leela and Alper's paths intertwine, they embark on a perilous journey filled with unexpected love and shared hardships. Together, they must navigate the challenges posed by Hasmet, who relentlessly searches for Leela. Amidst the chaos, Alper and Leela find solace in each other, forging a bond that defies their troubled pasts and uncertain futures. According to me, Wings of Love is a captivating series that masterfully explores the depths of love, be it romantic. With stellar performances and a well-crafted narrative, it keeps viewers engaged through a blend of drama, romance, and unexpected twists. The diverse love stories add richness, making it a memorable watch with a satisfying ending. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a compelling and emotional journey. Number 2. Benim Hala Umudum Var, I Still Have Hope. This series follows Umut, who is a kind-hearted young woman working as a manicurist, living in a challenging home environment filled with jealous, and abuse from her stepfamily. Her life takes a turn when she meets Ozan, a wealthy and charming man who, fearing prejudice against his class, pretends to be poor. They fall deeply in love, navigating their feelings in secrecy to avoid the scrutiny of their respective families. As their relationship blossoms, Ozan struggles to reveal his true identity, wanting to protect Umut from her abusive home life. Their love story unfolds like a modern Cinderella tale, highlighting the stark contrasts between their worlds. Tensions rise as secrets threaten to surface. Ultimately, they must confront the obstacles that stand in the way of their happiness. According to me, this series offers an engaging premise with a modern Cinderella storyline, but it tends to drag as the episodes progress, often feeling repetitive. Number 3. Kordugum, Intersection. This series follows the love triangle, which unfolds between businessman Ali Nejat, car designer Umut, and Naz, Umut's wife. Ali Nejat, haunted by a tragic accident that claimed his nephew's life, struggles with guilt and a strained family relationship. On a business trip to Italy, he meets Naz, a compassionate doctor who saves his friend's life, and they find themselves returning to Istanbul together after she misses her flight. Naz is married to Umut, a devoted mechanic who has sacrificed his ambitions for her education but now feels unappreciated and resentful. As Naz and Ali Nejat's paths intertwine, she inadvertently changes both their lives. Ali Nejat's interest in her grows, and Umut sees a chance to fulfill his dream of creating his own car with Ali Nejat's financial backing. As Ali Nejat learns he is a father to a young boy named Karn, Naz becomes a key support in his life, deepening their connection. This complicated dynamic sets the stage for emotional struggles and choices that will impact all three characters, testing their loyalties and desires amid ambition and heartache. No doubt, Intersection offers a gripping narrative with strong performances. But even though the first 2 seasons captivate with emotional depth and relationships, but I have a huge disappointment with the character developments in Season 3, especially regarding Ali Nejat's choices. The shocking turn of events, including Na's fate, feels jarring and unsatisfying. While the series excels in storytelling and character arcs initially, the later episodes leave unresolved tensions and a sense of rushed conclusions. Overall, it's a worthwhile watch, but the ending may not sit well with all fans. Number 4. Gauch Jamani, Time of Departure. Gauch Jamani follows Janet, a resilient woman, is forced into an arranged marriage with Jamil as his second wife after fleeing Mardin with her daughters. In Istanbul, she faces hostility from Jamil's first wife, Hanim, who is unable to have children and feels threatened by Janet's beauty and talent as a carpet weaver. Hum manipulates Jamil and takes Janet's sons, raising them as her own, while Janet is left with only her daughters. As Janet's suffering deepens, she dreams of a better life for her children, especially Zumrat, whom she wants to send to school in Istanbul. In a cruel twist, Jamil eventually marries Janet off to landowner Faisal to settle his debts. The series unfolds the themes of motherhood, resilience, and the struggles of women in a patriarchal society. Janet's journey highlights her fight for her daughters' futures amidst family battles and societal constraints. Even though this series captivates with its exploration of cultural struggles and resilient characters, particularly Janet. However, the plot becomes convoluted and the final disappointingly undermines the series' strong start, leaving viewers confused. While the themes are poignant, the execution falters, ultimately overshadowing its initial promise. Number 5. Gumush. Gumush follows Mehmet Sadoglu, who is broken by his girlfriend's death in a car accident, is urged by his family to marry Gumush, a girl who has loved him since childhood. Although Gumush initially rejoices at the chance to be with Mehmet, she soon realizes he is emotionally distant and still grieving his lost love. Despite this, she remains patient, hoping that Mehmet will eventually reciprocate her feelings. As time passes, Mehmet begins to see Gumush in a new light and falls in love with her. The series unfolds as a modern Cinderella story, showcasing Gumush's transformation from a humble girl to a figure of success, driven by her enduring hope and love. It portrays how a single event can drastically alter one's life, echoing the dramatic shift in Gumush's fate. Gumush is a melodramatic series that combines classic soap opera elements with a modern Cinderella twist. While the romance between Gumush and Mehmet starts off engaging, it tends to drag with repetitive plotlines and melodramatic moments, especially during the prison subplot. The character development often feels shallow, and the series' portrayal of certain situations can be overly idealized. However, the show's charm lies in its passionate love story and the transformation of Gumush from a humble girl to a successful woman. Despite its flaws, it is one of the most popular drama series in the Arab countries, captivating millions with its blend of drama and romance. Number 6. Aji Ashq. In a world where love intertwines fates, Bulat, trapped in a loveless marriage with Sudeh, finds solace in the enchanting violinist Melika at a hotel opening. Their instant connection ignites a forbidden romance, shadowed by Sudeh's desperate longing for affection and Ali's unwavering devotion to love. Unbeknownst to Bulat, Firman, his employer and Sudeh's father, holds a dark secret. His negligence led to Bulat's father's tragic death. As Melika and Bulat explore their passionate bond, Sudeh's jealousy brews, complicating their lives. Ali, a steadfast friend, grapples with his own feelings for Sudeh, torn between loyalty and love. The story unfolds with heartache and sacrifice, questioning whether true happiness can emerge from such tangled emotions. Can Bulat confront his past and break free from Sudeh's hold? Will Melika find the courage to fight for their love? Amidst the chaos, each character must choose between passion and the painful sacrifices that love demands. In the end, it fully captures the tumultuous journey of love and sacrifice, featuring strong performances, particularly from Seçkin Özdemir as Bullet. The intense romance between Bullet and Melik is compelling, though some may find the melodrama excessive, and it is also true that there are a lot of episodes of this series which seems a little too draggy, but overall, it's a captivating series that explores the complexities of the heart, resonating with fans despite its flaws. Number 7. Merhamet, Mercy. This series follows Naren, played by Ongi Namal, who emerges from a harsh childhood marked by poverty and abuse. Her alcoholic father, Recep, and an unsupportive family force her to endure relentless hardship. Despite these obstacles, Naren works tirelessly, ultimately achieving her dream of becoming a successful lawyer in Istanbul. She leaves her troubled past behind, severing ties with her family and focusing on her new life. Her closest friend, Deniz, offers unwavering support. However, Naren's world is shaken when she encounters Firat, her long-lost first love, now engaged to Deniz's sister, Irmak. This reunion forces Naren to confront her unresolved past, including familial ties and deep-seated traumas. As the story unfolds, themes of love, betrayal, and personal ambition intertwine, revealing the complexities of Naren's journey and the impact of her past on her present. The series delves into themes of love, ambition, and reconciliation, offering a mix of emotional depth and dramatic twists. While well acted and engaging, the conclusion has sparked mixed reactions from viewers. Number 8. Menekşe ile Halil. This is one of the best romantic Turkish series, which revolves around Menekşe, a 20-year-old Turkish girl, and Halil, a Bosnian young man, work together at a Berlin patisserie and share a deep, secret love. Menekşe's conservative father forces her into an arranged marriage with Mustafa, a wealthy suitor. Despite the pressure, she and Halil decide to escape to Istanbul to pursue their love. Their journey becomes perilous when Mustafa and Menekşe's brother, Kadir, follow them to reclaim her. As they navigate the challenges of their new life, they must confront the threats from her family and the traditions that bind them. Halil carries a heavy secret that complicates their relationship further. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the clash between tradition and personal freedom. Menekşe and Halil's fight for happiness becomes a battle against societal norms and family expectations. Will their love survive the turmoil, or will they succumb to the forces determined to tear them apart? Ultimately, it's a poignant tale of resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. This series is a captivating journey through love, filled with rich character dynamics and powerful performances. The chemistry between the leads is palpable, making their emotional struggles deeply engaging. While the beautiful music enhances the storytelling, the bittersweet ending leaves a lasting impact that may not resonate with all viewers. Overall, it's a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Number 9. Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment. In Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment, Yasemin, a 29-year-old working in advertising, discovers her fiancé's betrayal a week before their wedding. Heartbroken, she retreats to Bodrum to her mother's home. There, she has a chance encounter with Savas, a wealthy man on vacation, and they spend a night together. Yasemin, overwhelmed by guilt, leaves without revealing her identity. Savas, who falls for her, returns to Istanbul after a family tragedy. Yasemin finds out she's pregnant with Savas's child, whom she names Omar. Fearing the implications of the baby being heir to a powerful family, she hides the child. As Savas manages his family's affairs and searches for Yasemin, the series delves into their complex relationship and the secrets that emerge. Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment offers a mixed bag of drama, romance, and cultural exploration. The series, notable for its compelling performances by Murat Yildirim and Tomris Sinsa, faces criticism for its shaky production quality and pacing issues. While some viewers appreciate the intense acting and the intricate portrayal of conflicting traditions, others find the storylines dragging and the characters' decisions illogical. The show delves into themes of infidelity and societal norms, but the depiction of these elements sometimes feels unrealistic and morally problematic. Despite its flaws, Ashk Ve Jeja remains engaging for its exploration of modern versus traditional values and the chemistry between its lead actors. Number 10. Heart of the City. Ali, a man with a troubled past, reluctantly returns to Istanbul, where he inadvertently becomes entangled in a series of unexpected events. While attempting to help a young girl named Dirin, he loses his passport, setting off a chain of unpredictable encounters. Dirin, engaged to Yigit, seeks a day of freedom and finds an unexpected connection with Ali. As they spend the day together, their lives take unexpected turns, challenging their preconceptions and altering their futures. Meanwhile, Ali's passport issue leads him to a surprising revelation about his own identity. What will happen next? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 11. Jannat and Gojaslari. Jannat and Gojaslari series tells the story about a girl named Jannat, abandoned at her birth, and under her grandmother's guidance, becomes a gifted architect, despite financial hurdles. Time reunites her with her estranged mother and childhood love, leading to a profound journey of revenge and redemption. Through her resilience, Jannat imparts a transformative lesson, showing her loved ones the enduring power of forgiveness and the capacity for change, ultimately redefining their relationships. According to me, this series offers a captivating storyline with resilient characters, but it's marred by overacting, excessive drama, and a slow pace. And somehow, the series lacks balance, with minimal moments of happiness and an abundance of sorrow, making it a polarizing watch. Number 12. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Difne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Difne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Difne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Difne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Difne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Difne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 13. Sila. This series follows Sila, who is born in Mardin, Turkey, and is sent to a wealthy Istanbul family due to financial struggles. When her brother Azad kidnaps the Agha's sister, village customs dictate Sila must marry Boran, the Agha, to save her brother. As Sila navigates the strict traditions in her new home, an unexpected love blossoms with Boran, impacting not only their lives but also challenging the clash between love and tradition in southeastern Turkey. This series impresses with its bold portrayal of societal clashes, condemning conservative traditions while delivering compelling performances. Despite occasional melodrama, the series stands out for its insightful storytelling, capturing the essence of Turkish culture. Number 14. Bey Yanlis. Mr. Wrong is a fantastic romantic comedy Turkish series where we see the story of Ezi, a public relations specialist who faces disappointments in her relationships. After a heartbreak, she focuses on her career, but suddenly she gets unemployed. One night, alone at a fancy restaurant, she meets Ozgur, played by John Yaman. Fate brings them together as neighbors. Friends warn against Ozgur, Mr. Wrong. Ezi and Ozgur strike a unique deal. He becomes her relationship coach, and she pretends to be his girlfriend to avoid marriage pressure. Their unexpected connection forms the basis of the story. With witty humor, an engaging storyline, and outstanding performances, Mr. Wrong is a must-watch series for those seeking a modern, entertaining romantic comedy that challenges traditional clichés. Number 15. Kara Para Ashk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. So that was the video, friends. But if you want to watch more romantic Turkish series, then please watch this next video.